Hi everyone, we have Samitha, Ruth here.
Hi there.
Hi Sam, welcome back to Glojas. I'm okay, how are you?
I'm good after a month coming back to
Yes, exactly. So how do you feel about the lockdown and all?
I think it was okay being at home
Okay.
and doing some remedy of water and eating lots of fruit
That's important.
after the treatment. So yeah.
Okay, I'd like to ask you, you've actually have gone to a few places already, like clinics and all. Like,
Yep.
what do you feel about the difference between Glojas and other clinic in terms of services and our professionalism?
I believe that every clinic have their own different style and also different services. But what makes Glojas special is because the doctors and the nurses and also the people like you
Thank
are
you.
very super professional and very friendly. And the services is first class, I would say. And you feel very much, again you want to come back, very much welcoming. And also Datu and Datin is so lovely. Each time, every time, any clients or any staffs, they really treat well. So I think it's very good. And I would say it's one of my favorite clinic.
Oh, good. That's
Yeah.
so good. So thank you so much for spending your time at
Thank you so
Glojas. So guys, come to Glojas.
MC ka ba dis mo dalawang pera ka na bet you good morning mo dal nice na ye